Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix chats disappearing in Microsoft Teams. If you've ever opened Teams and noticed that some of your messages or conversations are suddenly missing, you know how frustrating that can be, especially when you rely on Teams for important work or school communications. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through several simple troubleshooting steps that can help restore your chats. We'll go over checking your Teams settings, making sure your app is up to date, and a few other quick fixes that are often overlooked but make a big difference. By following these steps, you'll be able to see your missing messages again and avoid losing track of important conversations. So stay tuned, and by the end of this video, you'll have your Teams chats back to normal and ready to use without any issues. Let's get started. First thing we want to do is open our Teams dashboard. The first troubleshooting I want to show you is check if we turned off all the filters. Next, we will go to the search bar and search the message we are looking for. Sometimes it's easy to overlook small things, and taking a moment to carefully look around can make a difference. While we're here, it's also a good time to pause and think about how we usually organize our chats and channels. Getting familiar with the interface and where everything is located can save a lot of time in the future. Even just scrolling through your recent conversations can help you get a better sense of where messages might be. It's always a good idea to take your time and be thorough so nothing gets missed. Also, check if the account we are using is the correct one. Sometimes we might be using a different account and this might fix it. Another thing you can try is refreshing your Teams page. Sometimes the app just needs a quick refresh to load everything properly. Even if nothing seems to change at first, refreshing can help update your chats and show any messages that were missing. It's a simple step, but it often makes a big difference without any complicated settings. Taking a moment to refresh can save time and prevent a lot of frustration. So whenever something seems off, giving the page a quick refresh is always worth trying. Alright, so those are the main steps to help fix disappearing chats in Microsoft Teams. In addition to checking filters and refreshing the page, you can also try signing out and signing back in, clearing the app cache, or even reinstalling Teams if nothing else seems to work. These steps might sound small, but they can make a huge difference in restoring your messages. Another important tip is to make sure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes slow or interrupted connections can prevent messages from loading properly, so it's always a good idea to double-check your connection. You can also visit the Microsoft 365 service status page to see if Teams is experiencing any outages that could be affecting your chats. It's also worth taking a moment to review your notifications and chat settings. Making sure nothing is accidentally hidden or muted can save a lot of time and prevent future issues. And remember, patience is key. Sometimes Teams just needs a little time to sync everything properly. By going through these steps carefully, you should be able to restore your chats and prevent messages from disappearing again. I hope these tips help you stay organized and make your Teams experience smoother and more reliable. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.